Okay, here we go with the first recap. So yeah, just the stuff that you watched in that video on how to practice. Since you already did that, you know what to do. You're good to go. So yeah, 10 minutes. That's what you're gonna do, working this thing up as fast as you can. And it does talk about this at the top there. So if it feels like you have not maxed out in 10 minutes, let's say you get to 200 beats per minute, and the 10 minutes is up, but you feel like you could go further, just start doing the repeats there. And you're going to go for a total of 4 repeats, 4 repetitions. And after 3 solid attempts, if it seems like, you're just not able to get all 4 repeats, drop the speed 10 beats per minute and try again. So drop it 10, try again. And then after another 3 solid attempts, if you still think you're not able to get all 4 repeats, drop it 10, try again. So you basically keep dropping it 10 until you're able to get all the repetitions. So yeah, we have a good amount of working the thing up, and then a fair amount of just basically solidifying the speed that you made it to. So if it's a true max speed, like if you max out in less than 10 minutes, let's say you get all the way to like 260, and it was a real struggle to get that 260. You're like, took you like a minute or two of really trying, and then you finally get it. Like, okay, if it's a true max, you're not going to be getting 4 repeats on it. So I would drop it 10 or 20 beats per minute at that point, even if it's less than 10 minutes. So let's say you max out again, like 8 minutes, that's fine. Drop it 10 or 20 beats per minute and start trying to do the repeats then. Let's see. So yeah, work it up in the 5 BPM method. So start at 60 once you play this correctly once. So work it up without the repeats. Work it up, no repetitions. And then, just one and done. So 60, one good take, then go to 65. One good take, go to 70. And then just keep going up 5 every single time you get it right. And no matter how fast you get, let's say you get up to 200 on day 1, you still start at 60 the next day. And then you still start at 60 the next day. So as far as like sending video over early, if you're hitting things at like 240, go ahead and send a video over early. If you do send an early video, what I'd like you to do is basically send in the following speeds I'm about to play. So I'm going to play everything at 4 speeds here. So this way you have stuff to reference. You can follow along, make sure everything looks and sounds the way we want. But yeah, if you send in any early videos, like before next class, like you definitely got it, you're feeling good with everything, you're hitting those speeds, then these are the 4 speeds to submit. And you can do this, the day of the lesson too. Some students prefer making videos and sending it in early. Some people are okay with just doing it at the beginning of class. So either way, it's fine with me, because I gotta watch and listen to you play so I can hear and see how well it's going, and that will tell me what we do next. So here we go. Number 1 at 60. So count out loud as much as you can. From at least 60 to 120 is a good idea. If it gets going too fast, not a huge deal if you're not saying it out loud. But definitely at the slow speeds, it's very helpful, because it really helps to solidify what it is you're doing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and done. Remember, keep a nice flow with the strum, nice and easy, and just down, up, the whole time. If it's a down beat, you're going to strum down. If it's an up beat, you strum up. Turn the measure up a little bit here. Okay, let's go to 120 next. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do the repeats at 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, just because I demonstrated the repeats at 200, that doesn't mean you have to do it at 200. You do it at whatever speed is necessary, whatever speed is good for you. I just got to play at some speed so you can have a good idea of what to play. Yeah, all these speeds I'm doing are just for demonstration. So if you don't reach 240, that's okay. You don't have to. I just want you to get where you can. Just remember, you got to be accurate when you play. Don't sacrifice accuracy just for speed. Because if you played it inaccurate, well, it doesn't count anyway. Alright, so here we go, number 2. The same rhythm, different chords, but the rhythm looks a little different. But same count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 4. 1, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 4. 1, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeats at 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and number 3. All right, so here we go. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 3, 4, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 3, 4, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 3, 4, and 2, 3, and 4, done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, and 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I ended up just going da 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 da, which is totally fine. So counts like that totally work because you're saying what the rhythm is out loud. Even it's like saying the direction you pick. down, up, down, 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 down, up, down. Da 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 3 and 4, 1 and 2. Da 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 da. Whoop! I didn't change chords. 1 and da 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 3 and 4. Da 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 3 and 4. Da 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 3 and 4. So sometimes just doing like that percussive type counting works totally fine. And some really weird things we'll end up doing. I'll offer some different counting ways to make the hard stuff a little less hard. But there we go. That is the first recap for the first 3 things to really work on. So, any questions come up throughout the week, let me know. And I will see you again next week.